Alright guys, we're back. We had to go scout for Bailey. Bailey just goes AWOL. Alright, hang on. Let me get Bodhi. So anyway, we're working on getting Bailey trained. And he was actually just over on the other side over there. But you can see the difference between one that hasn't been conditioned, and I mean, they had gone the ebook, but people just, Bailey! Good boy! Good boy! The dog does not have a lot of food drive, so we're working on building that up too. You know, it was a bit of a chunk. They were feeding him chicken and everything. So, you know what, Crystal? We do have a bunch of chicken in the freezer. Remember we had bought, look at what he is doing over there. He just bit that thing off. Some kind of landscaper. All right, look, there goes Blue. He's headed out into the bushes. Yeah, Bailey's trying to bully on Blue there. Blue, luckily, is quite the affable little character. Doesn't notice such things. Alright, let's go this way because we're probably going to head back to the water. Blue! God bless it! Pardon me, I saw that one coming. Look out, look out. Yeah, Bailey's a big bully. I'm not going to call him because he's not facing away from me. Bailey! Good boy. But what I want you guys to remember, because people say things like, well, we spoiled the dog. Bailey. Bailey! Really? Bailey! Bailey! Good boy. Blue! Good boy. That has nothing to do with the dog, you guys. That has nothing to do with the dog. It's like people that say I spoiled my kids. That has to do with them, not the dog. You know, when somebody says that to me, it is in no way a positive thing. It's like replace spoiled with ruined, and then you've got maybe the right. Bailey, Blue, Bailey. Good boy. Good boy. Oh, we're going to get him into shape by the end of the summer. Good. He does like to fetch. Bailey! Oh, he's a sour one, that one. Bailey, but you cannot have a dog that size. I don't think I told you what he did, Crystal. Bailey! He came running, and when he was outside with the rest of them, he jumped right up in my face. All through. So when you've got one like that, you guys, I mean, you know, rather than just say, well, he doesn't like food, I'm going to give up, you've got to say, you know, job one is building up that food drive. So you've got a level of motivation. All right, let's see if they'll just drift on ahead to the pond. Frisbee seems to squat a lot. Yeah, Bailey just dwarfs all the other dogs. He's so big. All right, be careful too, Crystal, when they start jumping around like that. Frisbee! See what a nice little sling I got out of Frisbee right there, even at that short distance. And before, remember when he felt the pager, he sort of had a panic response because of that invisible fence. All right, Bailey is getting a little out of control over there. We're still kind of looking for that back to be turned. It's not really good. They actually play pretty good though. They're not fighting. I think know Screechy used to bite the ears. Bailey! Good boy. That was a really nice response I got right there. Bailey! I don't get the end because he's not really in drive. Bailey! He eats the food, just out with the car. Alright, let's go. Alright, let's text Lori to see, make sure she's still taking me tonight. Either her or George better be taking me. Alright, I'm going to wait until Frisbee starts to run for the water, and then I'm going to get him. Oh, look at him go. Frisbee! See what happened. He had evasive maneuvers and everything to avoid his brother to get to me. Alright, let me get Blue out of that water. Blue! So remember, you guys, the rule of thumb in the water is you hit the pager again once they hit land. Oh, Luby's having the time of his life. Frisbee, in that short little distance, he's putting a little spring in his step. Alright guys, we're all going to go try to get a few little slow-mos of them swimming.